Hey guys, so here is another dividing decimals by decimals problem. This one is a little harder. We're going to start off with the rules as usual. So remember, when you're adding and subtracting decimals, yes, you line up the decimals, but when you're multiplying and dividing, you do not line up the decimals. You need to carry the decimals over. Now, if you have a piece of paper, I would recommend that you write notes on the side so you can go back to this if you get this wrong. If you want to work on this problem, pause it now so you can work on it and then see the answer later. This is a more complicated problem. That's why I chose it. So you could see a little bit of every type of problem you're going to get probably for homework. So let's start with the first rule. Rule 1 is draw your little house. Okay. And I say always first number inside, second number outside. So this is your first number. And then your second number goes out here, 0.18. All right, so step 2 is we need to move the decimal. So the decimal is here, we're moving it 1, 2 times. So the decimal is here, we're gonna move it 1, 2 times. So your new decimal is gonna land right here. Make sure that you have graph paper to help you line up the numbers well, because this is going to get a little complicated with numbers if you're not sure. Remember, this turns into then an 18. Don't need that 0 anymore, it's just 18. But do not change or move any of the zeros inside. All right, so let's start. Can 18 go into 0? No, so you put a 0, 0 times, and you get 0. Next step, bring down the decimal, bring down a number. Do not leave it like that just because you got 0. You are not done. So I bring down the next 0. Can 18 go into 0? Yes, 0 times. I put a 0 and there's my 0. Am I done? No, I still have another 0 to bring down. So I bring it down. Can 18 go into this 0? Nope. 0 times 0 and you get 0. Now, are you done because you got a 0 as a remainder? No, because you still have a number here you haven't dealt with. So we're going to bring this one down, which is 9. Now, can 18 go into 9? No, it cannot. So guess what? You get another 0, and then you get a 0, and you end up with 9. Am I done? No, because now I have a remainder. Do I want a remainder? No. So we need to add a 0. So we are going to add a 0 after the 9, and we are going to bring it down. So now that 9 turns into 90. Can 18 go into 90? Yes. 5 times, and you get 90 exactly. And now you have a 0 as a remainder. You have no more zeros to bring down. So now you are officially done. This was a long problem. Obviously, all these zeros, you don't need to do that. You can skip the steps once you get more familiar with these numbers. The reason why I showed all these steps is just to make sure that you understand what we are doing. So final answer, you do not have to write all these zeros before the decimal. You could just write 1 0 like this, or no zeros, and you could just like this. Just remember that the zeros are on the right side of the decimal have to stay in place. You cannot get rid of them. The only ones you can get rid of are the ones on the left side of the decimal. All right, guys, so give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down in the comment if you understood, just so I know, and I'll keep making more videos. Bye, thanks.